This is a test. This station is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency is being tested. Had this have been an actual emergency such as severe weather, an Amber Alert or civil emergency, an important message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. All broadcasting systems may resume normal programming.